This is a little Python script that I put together playing around with OpenCV 2.4, Python 2.7, and Pygame. And essentially what it does is, maybe you've seen some of this on the internet, doing face detection with Python and OpenCV. But I thought this would be kind of funny to add sound to it when it detects a face. So here we go. So this is how it works, and I'll have instructions on getting OpenCV, at least the way I installed it, and bound up to Python 2.7. So yeah, you should already have Python 2.7 installed. I'm not going to go into that, but I do go into downloading and installing OpenCV. I've got a couple different versions on my machine, but right now I'm using just 2.4, OpenCV 2.4. So there's a lot of examples out on the net that do facial detection, not recognition, but detection. And essentially that's part of this right here. We're using the HAR Cascade classifier, and when you install OpenCV, you just do a search for it and you'll find this XML file. This file will have to be in the same directory as the script, the Python script, this script right here that you're running. You'll also have to have Pygame installed, and NumPy, and that should just be something relatively simple, like a pip install. And I'll, at the end of this video, I'll go into the details on that. So one of my ideas is to obviously play a sound when there's a facial detection, and this script with a little bit of a modification to the video capture is using will run on Raspberry Pi, but it is using the Pi camera. And if people are interested in that, I can go in more detail, but there's a lot of different videos on the internet that show you how to get the Pi camera installed and using it with Python. But anyway, so I wanted to be able to play a sound when we detected the face, and then what I noticed is that the sound was being rapid fire over and over and over again. So I do a couple things where I limit when the sound is played with a delay using the last and current time. And then I also use the Pygame mixer so I can detect if the sound is still playing. That's what we're doing down here. So we're in this loop, and we're constantly checking for face detection, but we also go in and say, well, if we're not playing the sound and the elapsed time since the last time we played the sound is greater than 3 seconds, let's go ahead and play the sound. So the whole idea was having something that would run on Raspberry Pi, and you would put maybe on a Pi 0 with the PIC camera installed, and then put it in a very small case, and then you could put it in a robot head, or whatever you want. So this was my first attempt at that. I'm running on Windows 10 to do the main development, and then with minor script changes with the video capture, run the same code on the Raspberry Pi. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and you can do a lot of cool stuff with OpenCV now and Raspberry Pis. Even though this demo is on Windows, I hope it was helpful.